The very first simple step that has a man ask you out, pursue you, and commit to you, the first thing you need to do is be available and be approachable. And what's that look like? Open body language, smiling, flirting, winking, lingering for him to come ask you out. I've supported thousands of women in attracting their dream man, and this one step, almost all of them have struggled with. Because when you are open to the world around you, you're inviting in the unpredictable. And it doesn't always have to be flirtatious. It can be, but even just being open to anyone in general, sometimes people have hangups around. But what's really cool is when you recognize that and you choose to open up, this whole new mountain of miracles and possibilities come into your life. So one step towards that right now is go say hi to 20 strangers. Literally walk by and say, hi, hi, hi. Even if it feels abnormal, do it. It's going to automatically raise your frequency. Or if you want to get asked out today, go just wink at a guy or smile for 3 seconds. Here's 3 seconds. And then linger instead of scurrying off so he can come approach you. So to inspire you guys around this topic, I'm going to go out and I'm going to ask a stranger, what does love mean to you? I'm going to get their answer and share it with you. And also I have a complimentary masterclass coming up called the 3 Brave Moves that make an emotionally available man ask you out, pursue you, and commit to you without the pressure. Definitely sign up now. Let's calibrate. Okay, wait, what's your name?
Sam.
Sam. Okay, I have a question. Stuff on me. Ready? Okay, my question is, what does love mean to you?
Doing things for people when you're not asked to.
Oh,
Just doing things because you want to see them happy. Yeah.
I love that. Thank you, Sam.